Hello everyone, this is Mohit Yadav and this time I've come up with a course of 1 year. This is for people who want to start their career in cybersecurity and anyone who is a basic starter, who for example you have just started your career in, you've just entered into a college or you just finished your schooling. You can actually start or you can actually become a cybersecurity expert. So what we have done in this course is we have started from the basics of networking and we'll take you till cloud security, we'll take you to web application security, mobile application security. So n number of courses bundled into a one single 1 year course where you start from very basics of the networking part, then you'll be getting the Linux part. So in this video I'll be discussing about the content which is there in this course. So after having a word with a lot of industry experts, a lot of people, experts in the same domain, what we have come up with, we have come up with a 12 level of cyber security course. No other institution is providing 12 levels of cyber security course in just one single package. So we have come up with this package. Anyone, basic people can also start with this. If you have interest in cyber security, just choose Cross Security. This course, 1 year course, will help you build a career in cyber security and you will see yourself within 1 year what all you have learned from Cross Security. There will be not even a single topic which you will say you have not touched with this course. So let us see what is the content of this course. So first, at the first starting phase, I will be telling the major content, the topics which are there included in this course. The first topic, the first level we'll be covering in this course is networking. So you see, when it comes to network penetration testing, when it comes to finding bugs into a network, it is very important to understand the network concepts. So we have included the first level, that is called basic networking. So basic networking is the first step when it comes to your this diploma in information security. That's the first 1 year course. So basic networking, it includes CCNA complete course will be there. You'll be taught with different protocols, how routers are working, what is netting, VLAN. So a lot of things related to networking will be taught in the first level. This is not going to be a networking course. Understand, this is going to be completely a cyber security course. So nothing, we will not be going very much into the networking, but yes, the first level will cover everything which is necessary to become a cyber security expert. Then the second level will be starting with Linux. As you all know, we have been working with Parrot, we have been working with Kali Linux. So a lot of Linux operating systems are there. Forensics there are a lot of Linux operating systems. So to understand these Kali Linux, Parrot operating system, Ubuntu, so a lot of operating systems, we need to understand what Linux is all about. What is the file systems of Linux? How Linux operating system work? What is kernel? So these things will be taught in the second level of the course. Then after, you have the basic knowledge of Linux and the networking. Now the third level will come with Python programming. So you see, in cyber security, Python programming is very much important. Why? Because in future you might go for some automations. So Python is become something like a very important programming language when it comes to cyber security. So we have included Python programming in this course so that once the person will start with cybersecurity, he knows about the tools which he is running or the scanning which they are doing with different scripts. They should know what these scripts are actually doing and how these scripts are being made. So this will be the third level in this 1 year course. Very important. Networking got completed, then Python got completed, Linux got completed, the base of cyber security. We are touching the things starting with base. So you will understand the things in a much better way. We will not be jumping everything from starting with penetration testing or maybe web application. This will be the base of the cyber security course. So 3 levels are being completed till now. Let us move to the 4th level. 4th level is ethical hacking. We call it as certified ethical hacker, or you can name it to any certification. So what ethical hacking is all about? You will be understanding about different kind of attacks in this level 4. Apart from this attacks, you will be learning about the tools, what all tools are being, the methodologies, what attacks are, DOS attack, then maybe Trojan, backdoors, botnets, sniffing. So all these things you'll be taught in your ethical hacking course. So what is important is 4th level is the base of cyber security. So first 3 level is the base of ethical hacking, and then ethical hacking is the base of cyber security. Once you do this course, you will be touching with all the small headings, all the small tools, the scanning part, or maybe vulnerability analysis, or finding bugs using Metasploit, using Kali Linux, DOS attacks, DDoS attacks. All these things has to be taken care in just ethical hacking phase. So understanding of cyber security will be taught to you in ethical hacking course. So it's a very important course for anyone who wants to start their career in cyber security. This is the base, and this is being followed by advanced penetration testing. So you would have seen courses like penetration testing like CPENT, or you would have seen courses like Pentest Plus, you would have seen courses like OSCP. So these are all penetration testing courses. So level 5 will teach you basics of penetration testing, how to pen test a network, how to crack a machine. So this will be taught to you in level 5. When you go into a company and you get hired as a cyber security analyst, what work you normally do? You normally pen test a network, you normally pen test a web application, you normally do a mobile application pen test. So this is the real work which you will be doing into a company. So for this course, 1-year course, we have included this at level 5 of network penetration testing. This will be related to the network part of penetration testing. Focus will be how to pen test a network. So this will be a level 5 course for the penetration testing. Let us move further. After penetration testing, we'll be taking care of cyber forensics part. It is very important in nowadays to understand how these cyber attacks are being done, and then these attacks can be detected or not, because cyber forensics is a completely different domain for people to get in. So in this course, why we have included this, because it is important for you to understand the cyber security also, and the attacks, how these attacks are being done by the hackers, and how to detect these attacks, do the investigation, maybe a kind of response to an attack. So within cyber forensic investigation, you will be learning how to basically find traces from email someone would have hacked into a website, web application, or anything. So this is how to create a forensic lab, the tools like Oxygen, the tools like Cellebrite. So these tools are very important for a forensic investigator to know, and for a cyber security expert also. This is very important topic to be done, because at any point of time, being a cyber security expert, there is nothing called 100% security. Anytime you can actually get attacked by a hacker or any exploit. Then being a cyber security expert, it is your task to find from where this attack has been done. So this is your forensic part, very important topic in this course. So after level 6, we are coming to level 7. Level 7 is web application security. Web application security is basically a kind of course which actually tells you about latest vulnerabilities which are there in a web application, and these are focused on web application. We focus completely on web application, finding bugs on a website, whether it is OWASP Top 10. We normally cover both OWASP Top 10 and SANS Top 25 web application vulnerabilities in this course. So this is an industry level of course which is the actual work you do into a company. So at the starting of this video, I told you that you will be doing either a network pen test, you'll be doing a web application pen test, or maybe a mobile application pen test as a starter. There are other fields also, but as a starter I am talking. So this becomes a very important part. So here it gets included with SQL injection, code injection, maybe missing authorization, use of one-way hash without a salt. So these are few topics. We have included 26 vulnerabilities. The major vulnerabilities which are from SANS also and from OWASP also. So this is industry level. So it is not something that we have made it. This is the industry level of frameworks or the standards, the guidelines which are being made for companies to be tested. So this is OWASP, this is your SANS, this is web application security. So in this course you'll be learning how web applications are being tested, what all vulnerabilities are being there, how to patch those vulnerabilities, what are mitigations or maybe what is the impact of those vulnerabilities on corporate environments or corporate websites. So this is very important course for you to get into a company. So what normally nowadays people are doing, they do cybersecurity or ethical hacking course and then they start going into companies and taking interviews, and they don't get the job as required. So what they do, they lack in web application security a lot. Maybe in CH they would be learning about web application security, but very little is there in CH. But when it comes to complete web application security, it's a wide course of 60 hours. So whatever levels we are seeing right now is completely 60 hours, one month course. So this is a 1 year course. So definitely it is going to be a 1 year course, 1 month for one single level. So you are at 7th level right now. 7th level is web application security. So similarly, in after web application security, we have included mobile application security. You see, mobile apps are being used on almost everywhere. So mobile is nowadays a computer. So whatever apps you're using, that has to be secure. So when we do this course, when you do this course, you will be able to test a mobile application. Any mobile applications you will be using in your Android, iOS, whatever phone you're using, this course will help you to test that application, find the security bugs in those applications. This will be dependent on OWASP Top 10. So what all vulnerabilities are being given by OWASP Top 10, we include those vulnerabilities like insecure data storage, code tampering, or insecure authorization, or maybe hard-coded credentials, reverse engineering. So a lot of vulnerabilities related to mobile applications are there in this course, level 8 course. Very important for anyone who want to start as a cybersecurity analyst in any company. Important for everyone, because every company would be having data either with mobile apps, either with web apps, or your networks, or maybe cloud or whatever. That will be coming later on. So mobile application is very important topic to be noted by you guys, because people do not focus on mobile applications. Let me tell you that we have included mobile application security testing in this course. Whosoever is there into security, who is listening to who is watching this video, will actually agree to it that yes, the course, the content which is there in the course is right according to the industry, because you guys have been working in cyber security, so you know the real work which you are doing every day. Level 8, mobile application security. Level 9, everyone knows mobile application. I've just talked about mobile application. This is level 9, IoT. IoT is booming. Everywhere you'll find out IoT devices like smart switches, smart devices everywhere. So we have included IoT penetration testing in our 1 year course, the most important, interesting course for you. How to pen test an IoT device. This is level 9. how to pen test an IoT device. Maybe a temperature control system is there, or maybe some smart devices are there. So you can actually test those devices, how communication is being done between those IoT devices. So we will be testing IoT devices, and you will be understanding about IoT also. So this course, level 9 course, is all about IoT penetration testing. At the first stage, we'll be telling you how IoT devices are working, what is the core level of IoT devices. Then you will be focusing more about the security measures or security bugs which can be there in an IoT infrastructure, or maybe an IoT device. Level 9, very important for people who are starting their career in this field. Yes, IoT is the booming career. So we have included IoT security as one important part in this course. So not everyone is providing IoT security. So Cross Security is providing IoT security. So people who want to join, please visit the link which is there in the description part of this video. And do share this video with people who wanted to start this career as a career. Level 10, endpoint security. So you see, like we can secure web applications, mobile applications, but this time we have come up with this course called endpoint security. So how you can secure endpoints of your organization, from where the data is being kept, or where the data is being transferred. So what we have done is we have included two-factor authentication implementation, maybe DLP solution, or APT attacks, EDR, MDR, next generation firewalls. Then physical security, we have added lead auditor guidelines also, 27001 in this endpoint security part. Apart from that, DLP will be there, then SIEM will be there. So all the things which are related to endpoint, securing your system, securing your mobiles, or maybe securing your data. So all these things will be there in endpoint security, in very important course for people, for if you want to get into cyber security. Maybe you can start working in a startup and they want to secure their endpoint. What things you will be securing, how you will be securing. This is what you will be learning in this course, endpoint security level 10. Very important. Endpoint security, protecting your endpoints. See, just cyber security, just testing networks, or maybe web application testing will not work out for a career. If you are really looking for a career, it has to be a wide one. Like if you get into a company, a startup company, and they say you, so can you secure our complete endpoints? So what you will be doing, how you will be processing that complete project. So this is the course. Endpoint security will help you about latest threats which are there, how to mitigate those threats. Endpoint security. So I'll be attaching this course curriculum in this email also, or the content which you can see in the description part. You'll be seeing the link of this curriculum. Just visit that link, you will see the course curriculum, and then you can choose, is it the right course for you as a beginner? If you are zero into cybersecurity, you have interest to become a cybersecurity expert, choose, just view the course content and then visit Cross Security and just check if you are good to go with this course or not. After this, level 11. Nowadays we can see cloud security, or cloud is very much important. The data is there in cloud. People are storing data. Startup companies, they are running their web applications, mobile applications. The solutions are being running on web clouds, AWS, Amazon. So this is very important. So when you start working into a product-based company, so it is important to know the knowledge of cloud, because you will be automating their things on cloud. You will be providing security to their cloud infrastructure. So we have included level 11 AWS cloud part. So AWS associate level 11, we have included cloud as the important knowledge. So you will be learning about cloud in the level 11 part. So level 11 will be continuing with cloud. Once you know the level 11, then we'll be taking to AWS security, the security of cloud infrastructure. Very important. once you know cloud network, how cloud is being done, how cloud is being made, what is AWS, how to configure policies, then it is important to understand about cloud security, how to secure cloud infrastructure. So in level 12, we'll be telling you how this cloud can actually be secured. Secure cloud is very much required. People are making clouds, but their AWS buckets, their S3 buckets are publicly available. The data is exposing. It is important to learn the security part in cloud also. So they will cloud, AWS guys will just give you a cloud server, but implementing security in that cloud server is your part. So if you want to implement security in a cloud network, AWS security will actually teaches you how to secure a cloud network. So this is level 12. So here we end up this 1 year course. With this 1 year course, all the 12 levels of cyber security we have included, but there are still a lot of domains which we have not included in this course, because this course will help you to learn about the basics, then take you to a certain level, prepare you for industry and get a job. Then being into a job, you can start learning, or maybe on SCADA security, maybe on how you can actually hack cars. So these are further things, the things which you'll be learning after this, because there has to be a specific bar to get a job, or to get to become a cybersecurity expert. There has to be a minimum requirement. So this becomes a minimum requirement of 12 level of courses with 100% job guarantee. Will surely place you if you completed this course, and no one can actually stop you if you have actually done this course, because you will be learning each and everything in cyber security. You will not be stopped at any interview. You will really clear the interview at one shot, because you know you have been taught with very basic to advanced. You have learned Python, you have learned networking, you have learned endpoint security, you have learned cloud security, you know web application security, you know mobile application security. So there is nothing which will prevent you from clearing an interview. Only thing is you need to be good with the technical things in this course, and we will provide you a platform where you can start learning these skills. These are real skills. So what we do is we teach you skills, and then you go into industry and apply those skills. So that's it for me. This is 1 year course. You can just visit the Cross Security website, which is there in the description part. You can share this video with people who want to get into cyber security. You can share this people with maybe on your Facebook, maybe on your Twitter, or anywhere, so that this information gets reached as much people as possible, and that they get benefited out of this video. So thank you everyone. This was Mohit Yadav, and this is our first 1 year cyber security advanced course. Choose this course because this is going to benefit you guys. So if you are a starter, want to start it now, because once you start it, then only you'll be finishing it. The soon you start, the soon you finish. So thanks everyone. I hope you liked this video. Please share it with people who want to start this career, and do visit more on Cross Security website, that is www.craw.in, crow.in. Just check out the link which are there in the description, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your time. I hope this would be a beneficial course for you guys.